SoundSkins family, you might be wondering, what am I doing at a house today? Well, guess what? We are now taking SoundSkins, the same sound dampening and sound deadening you love in your vehicle, into your house. Introducing the all-new SoundSkins Home Kit. You have any rattling in your house? You got any noises that you just cannot stand anymore? Well, let me show you how this works. You might be wondering where I'm at. You guessed it, the noisiest part of your house, your kitchen. You have any appliances that just a little bit too loud? Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you guys how to use SoundSkins in 3 easy steps to quiet down your house. See where I'm at, guys? This is the garbage disposal, one of the noisiest critters in your kitchen. SoundSkins is just 3 easy steps. Find the location, cut the amount you need, and stick it on. Check this out. Now to the laundry room. The biggest culprits, your washer and dryer. You hear that? Now listen to this when we apply some SoundSkins. So all you need to do is find the surface that has the most vibration or the most rattling. So here on the side of our dryer, we actually can feel the vibrations, okay? And for this purpose, we actually don't need to cut our home kit, and we actually can install it right here. Now listen to this after we put this on. Try sleeping with this on. Such a loud furnace. Let me show you how easy it is to quiet down your furnace with SoundSkins Home Kit. All you have to do is use your hand and find where it's vibrating, find where it's rattling. We got some here. We got some up here as well. Okay, I found the culprit. All we gotta do is cut some SoundSkins and let me show you the difference. Now listen. And there you guys have it. Whether it's in the kitchen, whether it's in the laundry room, whether it's any of those rattling, noisy appliances, the SoundSkins Home Kit has got you covered. We can't wait to hear your use cases, and we can't wait till you experience the SoundSkins difference.